I just built that. No designer, no PowerPoint, no Figma, just one prompt. What if every time a client asked, "Can you show me how this works?" You could answer them in under 60 seconds with a fully interactive, professionally designed visual right inside your AI chat. No tools, no templates, no waiting on a designer. That's exactly what Claude's new visual whiteboard feature does, and almost nobody's talking about it yet. Hey everyone, I'm Nitin and you are watching the AI University. If you are new here, I have spent years building real-world machine learning and AI applications. Today, I'm going to show you 3 real business scenarios where this is an absolute game changer. If you are a startup or work in an IT industry, then watch this video till the end because the third scenario is really going to be a game changer for you. I will give you the exact prompts and the insider tip that 90% of users miss. And that one tip alone will double the quality of your outputs. Here is how it works and why it's different from anything you have used before. Claude now generates fully interactive HTML-based visuals directly inside your conversation. No extra apps, no plugins, no waiting. It's like having a whiteboard designer and a data analyst sitting right next to you, available at 3 a.m. on a Sunday. And the trigger, just 2 words. Show me. That's it. Those 2 words shift Claude into visual mode, and what comes out the other side will genuinely surprise you. Now before we jump in, quick power user warning. Use the Opus model just like I'm using here. Opus is where the magic lives. Check your model selector before you do anything else, and you can change it from here. Here are several models available. Alright, let's build something. So our number 1 use case is sales pipeline funnel. Picture this, your VP of sales walks in and asks for a visual breakdown of your pipeline. Conversion rates are different for every stage. In the next 10 minutes, the old person in you might panic. But if you are new with these agentic AI skills, you will type a prompt something like, "Show me a visual sales funnel for a SaaS business from leads through demos, trials, and closing with conversion rate benchmarks at each stage." Click submit. Look at that. Color coded by stage. Conversion percentages baked in on the right hand side in just few seconds. But here is where it gets really powerful. Watch what happens when you push it further. Let me give it another prompt saying add a red drop-off warning if conversion falls below 10% at any stage. Now let's see what it does. And look at that. Now it's a live diagnostic tool, not just a pretty chart, a decision-making asset. So if you play around with these numbers below, right, you will see how your sales funnel will look like, right? And you can see the percentages are getting adjusted on the right-hand side, as well as the funnel shape is also changing based on the various key drivers that you are adjusting here. You can either download this file, copy to clipboard, or save it as an artifact by clicking on these 3 dots here, which you can later on share it with your leadership team to make any important decisions, or can help you if you are that decision maker. So your sales team brief just went from 45 minutes to 4 minutes. Now let's move on to another practical example where we want to do some pricing strategy comparisons. So let me type in another prompt for this use case number 2, which says, "Show me a side-by-side visual comparison of 3 SaaS pricing in tiers starting at $29 a month, growth at $99 a month, enterprise at $299 per month with features, ideal customer profile, and profit margin per tier." Let's see what it comes with. So that right there would cost you $200 and 3 hours with a freelance designer. You just got it in 8 seconds. You can see how it has quickly provided you the detailed side-by-side features, ideal customer profile, unit economics, so on and so forth. And you can see here the gross margin comparisons as well in a graphical manner. And you can see here that it has automatically taken care, highlighting this middle plan as the most popular plan and as the recommended option with this most popular badge. You can very well copy paste it into your deck, send it to your team, or drop it in your pricing page. If you love leveling up your productivity, you need to hear this. If you want to create professional marketing videos for your brand or business without hiring a full production team, check out adlitzai.com. It's an AI-powered ad generator that transforms your product images into jaw-dropping video commercials within minutes, ready for YouTube, TikTok, Google Ads, and Meta Ads. Marketers and creators are now getting studio quality ads at a fraction of the cost. Whether you are launching something new or just want more eyes on your products, Adlitz AI makes it ridiculously easy. Link is in the description below. Let's now jump onto our third use case, which might be the most useful one yet. Alright, this one is project timelines and risk map. This one is for anyone who has ever sent a project update email and gotten back, wait, where are we actually at? Type this. Show me a visual project launch timeline for a mobile app going live in 90 days, broken into phases: discovery, design, development, QA, and launch, with key milestones and risk flags. Let's submit this. So you can see it's a clean, color blocked, milestone markers, stakeholder ready in seconds. Now let me give a follow-up prompt, which is the difference between a good visual and a great one. So I will add another prompt here. Add a red risk indicator to the development phase. Note that third-party API dependency is the primary risk, and let's click on submit. Now you are not just showing a timeline, you are communicating risk, ownership, and urgency all in one image. Send that in your next board update and watch the room shift. And if you see here, there is a slider, current day. If you shift this current day, you will see a marker is also moving accordingly, right? And here are different phases, as you can see here. And it has provided a very well visualized legend here, right? And the timelines on the left hand side along with the phases. And it has also provided this primary risk here. So what you can do here, you can just replace phases and timelines with your real project details. Name your actual bottlenecks in the follow-up prompt, and then you can take a screenshot of it to send it on Slack or email, or save it as a draft for a live, always updated project page. So if this unlocked new AI superpowers for you, hit like so we can keep making videos that actually save you time. Want more expert level breakdowns on AI and productivity tools? Subscribe so you never miss the next big upgrade. See you in the next one.